convincing fan Beethoven. A day without any interruptions. No annoying phone calls, no bosses or co-workers, and no unwanted guest. Isn't it fabulous? Really? Who'd be visiting me today at all times? Yes.
Good morning, sir. I'm selling chocolates for my school so I can go on a trip to Wackyland. Would you please?
Okay, kid. I'm kind of in the middle of something here. How much?
Just $1, sir. Just $1.
Yeah, $1? Really?
Thank you.
I swear these kids are gonna give me the widest wrinkles. Seriously? I mean, haven't these people ever heard of R&R? Hello?
Hi. If you have a minute, I'd just like to ask you a question. Have you ever heard of Jesus?
No. Thank you.
Oh, well, if you have
I'm
a minute.
in the middle of something here, guy.
Well, I'd really like to just have a minute to talk to you about
thank
who
you.
this is.
Goodbye.
I can come in and make you pancakes. I can come in and I'll give you everything. I'll make it when this world is on fire. I will make you my queen. And him I've come.
What? What do you want from me? What do you want? Can't you just leave me alone? What? Why are you laughing? Stop laughing at me. Just leave me alone. Leave me alone. Go away. God damn it. I hate those kids. I hate this neighborhood. I hate